Originally started by my father in 1986. A little bit about us: we focus on ag facilities, specifically feed mills, grain handling facilities, and agronomy centers. 75 employees based out of southern Minnesota and 1,000 installations throughout the world with a focus on North America. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about our grain handling automation and specifically integrating a camera loadout system to be able to load trucks out, having viewability of the trucks as well as the rest of the automation all in one place. The benefits of this is pretty easy to see. So no longer having to have people run out to the loadout spouts, climb up those icy ladders, stand out in the dust and wind, be able to either do that from the cab of the truck or from in the office. By doing this, it just makes life a lot better, not have as much labor, as well as increasing the amount of trucks you're able to put through. Here's a simple video. Here it starts here. Oops, I could do it, but actually can go back. I'll try again. In this video, you can see where the tablet gives the operator the ability to control the leg, the distributor, the two-way valve, all from the cab of the truck. He's able to start and stop the flow of the grain, move forward to the next compartment, stop and start it again, and fully load himself. Now, if maybe you have external trucks or don't want to give that much control to the drivers, you could have done it from an office location such as this, while they're scaling trucks in or taking samples, also be loading trucks out. A common misconception that we hear about in automation is that you only can automate new facilities, and that's just not true. Here's a great example of where they did a combination. So on the left-hand side there in the red box, we fully automated the receiving system, interface with the dryer, to the grain storage. But those different arrows are the different loadout spouts. So from the office, they're simply able to select what loadout spout they wanted to come out of, and that camera view for that specific spout and the control of that spout would pop up. Again, very simple overall, but you can see the benefits. Instead of being like this guy having to crawl up the ladder, stand behind that board to hide from the dust, be able to do it from the cab of the truck or the comfort of the office. And this is just a piece of the overall benefit of grain handling automation, and it can be very, very simple. It doesn't need to be complex. You can tie the receiving legs, receiving pits, control legs. In this one, we also tied into radar sensors to know the inventory of the bins. Just in general, sometimes people think it needs to be overly complex, but it can be very simple and scalable depending on whatever your facility needs. Again, my name is Brady Gaalswyk with Easy Automation. We focus on feed mills, agronomy, as well as grain handling, and we'd love for you to stop by our booth 1502, talk a little bit about your facility, and see what makes sense of what amount of automation to apply to it. So again, appreciate your time today.